Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice dark blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the XLT Luxury Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got the nice tow hitch receiver with the 4K tow package. You got a nice hard folding tunnel cover, mud flaps on the rear and front, keyless entry keypad with some nice looking mirrors. And moving to the front here, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray orange cloth interior, floor mats, some storage there, plenty of storage in the door with the orange accents. We do get outlets, little hook for storage, as well as you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, which is pretty handy, and you do get under-seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 50,035 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle free screen, phone, voice, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get your vehicle settings, trip to, my view, audio, phone, and your settings again. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, and drive modes, auto hold, auto stop, auto start with tons of storage. With the orange accents, you've got your center console with tons of more storage underneath. There's those outlets again, climate controls with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, storage below, and we do get a nice powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got storage on the dash, and beside the infotainment system, got your audio, phone, and for your audio, you do get your AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here. Settings such as your Bluetooth. We got your phone controls, ambient lighting, so you can change the brightness in here. Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE07876A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.